What if analysis explores the impact of changing different values in a worksheet? I can use such an analysis to explore the impact of changing financial conditions on a company profitability. Company wants to know what the impact would be if the number of mini loader produces and sells rises to 11,000 or falls to 8,000. In this cell, type 11,000. Press enter key, scroll down. Under this sales volume, the net income of the company shown in this cell increases to $265,000. In this cell, type 8,000. Press enter. Under this sales volume, the net income shown in this cell becomes $50,000. The company will lose money with that low of a sales volume. Activity cell. Type 10,000 to return to the original units produced and sold projection. Press enter key. Company wants to know how low sales can go and still maintain a profit. In other words, what is the sales volume for the break-even point? One way of finding the break-even point is to use goal-seek. Goal-seek is a what-if analysis tool that can be used to find the input value needed for an Excel formula to match a specific value. In this way, company will find out how many loader must be sold to set the net income to $0. Click Data tab. In Forecast group, click What If Analysis arrow button. Click Goal Seek. The Goal Seek dialog box opens. In Set Cell box, select this cell reference. The absolute reference specifies the net income cell as the cell whose value you want to set. Press Tab key. In To Value box, type 0. This specifies that the goal is to set the net income value in cell D2520. In By Changing Cell box, click this cell reference. The absolute reference specifies that you want to reach the goal of setting the net income to 0 by changing the units produced and sold value in cell reference D3. Click OK. Again click OK. Scroll down. The net income is $0. The value 8,476 appears in cell reference D3, indicating that the company must produce and sell about 8,476 loaders to break even. Again enter 10,000 in this cell to return to the original units produced and sold projection. Press enter key.